In this tutorial, I'll show you how to refresh and hard refresh a web page in Google Chrome. Whether you simply want to reload a page or force Chrome to download the latest version by bypassing cached files, these shortcuts are quick and easy to use. To get started, open Google Chrome and navigate to the web page you want to refresh. For a standard refresh, click the reload button next to the address bar. You can also use a keyboard shortcut. On Windows and Linux, press F5 or Ctrl+R. On a Mac, press Command+R. A standard refresh reloads the web page using cached content whenever possible, making it the fastest way to update a page. If the web page still doesn't display the latest content or you're experiencing loading issues, perform a hard refresh instead. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl+Shift+R or Ctrl+F5. On a Mac, press Command+Shift+R. You can also perform a hard refresh on Windows by holding the Control key while clicking the Reload button in Chrome. This forces the browser to request the latest files from the website instead of relying on cached versions whenever possible. After the hard refresh, the web page may take a little longer to load because Chrome is downloading fresh copies of images, scripts, and other website resources. This is normal and often resolves problems such as outdated content, missing images, or web pages that aren't displaying correctly. If the issue continues even after a hard refresh, try clearing Chrome's cache by opening the three-dot menu, selecting Delete Browsing Data, choosing Cached Images and Files, then clicking Delete Data before reloading the web page again. That's how to refresh and hard refresh a web page in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.